Mohammed. Where are you from, Mohammed? Oh, you're from Pakistan. I'm from China. I was born and raised in China. My name is Farooq Shokrat. But I'm a little bit different with the Chinese people. I'm like ethnic minority. I'm like Arabic, like a Muslim population in China. Little bit different where I'm Chinese. I'm a little bit similar with I think with the Turkish, we have the similar language. So you're from Pakistan, right?
Right, right.
So why is
Yeah, I am
Yes.
from Bangladesh. I'm Bangladeshi.
Hey,
Yeah.
Alicia. Hey, Alicia, beautiful Alicia. Why don't you just show yourself on in the
Because I'm
camera?
Muslim, I don't
Why
show
can't
my
we see your
face.
face?
That's why.
Why? Why don't you show your
Yeah,
face?
because I'm
You
Muslim.
show your face to Muslim. You show
I
your face
don't
to
I don't
Father.
show my face. That's why.
Okay,
Why?
okay,
What do
no
you
problem.
afraid of?
Yeah. I'm
Anisha,
Muslim. Yeah.
Anisha, can you speak in Bangla?
No. I am from Maharashtra, Mumbai.
Oh, good, good.
Yes.
Mr. Farooq, I have a question.
Hmm.
Okay, sure.
Okay, you teach me just some sentence. Your language, Chinese. As
In
an
Chinese or
example,
in my
I
own
have.
native language in Uyghur? Wait, which
Yeah, yeah.
language do you want? What want me to say? Which language?
Okay, okay, okay. As example, I'm from Bangladesh. I am Russell. Just some tell Chinese language. This.
Okay, okay. I'm gonna do an introduction with Chinese. Okay. So 大家好，我叫 Farouk，很高兴认识大家，我来自中国。你们呢？你们如果想说中文的话，可以跟我一起学。How about that? Do you understand that? Can you understand? Hello, Mohammed. I was raised and born in China, so I don't know how to learn. It's just the environment. I talk to Chinese people a lot. It's just like you. What kind of language do you speak? What kind of language do you speak? Oh, Urdu, right? Or you like improve your what English language? Oh, which one do you want? One do you prefer, Chinese or English? Just choose one. If you want to like improve your Chinese, I speak Chinese to you. I teach you Chinese. If you want to improve English, I speak English all the time. Which one do you want? Yeah, okay. We're gonna speak English. Oh, thank you, thank you. You too. You're a handsome guy, man. You should put on your suit. I saw your picture. I saw your picture. Your suit is very handsome, man. Wow, fantastic, fantastic, tremendous, huge, huge, tremendous. That's like Donald Trump. Fantastic, man, fantastic, huge, huge. China, China. So, what do you do in your life? Are you a lawyer or what? Your suit look like you're a lawyer. What do you do? What's your occupation? What's your occupation, man? Well, what kind of person do you see? What? I can't understand. What kind of person I am? Oh, oh, wow, wow! It's an honor, man. It's an honor. Thank you. So now, are you in college or what? Where did you work? Do you work in a company? Oh, nice. So you ever come to China? Have you traveled to China? Or where do you want to go? You want to go to China or America or European country? Where do you want to go in your life? Where do you want to work in your life? Oh, European country, right? Hey, Chubby, Chubby, Korean. My Korean friend Chubby Jun Shark is here. Hey, hey, Korean guy. I miss you, man. 안sam습니다. I don't know why didn't Chubby just talk to us? There is a Korean friend just joined us. Hey, Chubby, do you want to get onto the stage? He's super nice. That Korean guy is super nice. Have you ever talked to a Korean guy before, Mohammed? Okay. Oh, oh. Hey, Chubby is studying right now. Okay, you're doing a good rating, man. We like always here. Alicia, Alicia is didn't talking. Alicia, I'm gonna let you off the stage, okay? I'm gonna talk to Mohammed a little bit, or do you want to talk?
Okay. Because you both are talking each other, so I'm just keep my mouth and I listen to you, both of you, because
No,
it's
just
very
join us, man.
interesting.
Just join us. Don't keep us alone. Don't let us be alone. Just join us, man. Just join us.
Uh,
Come on. Just talk. Talk anything. You want to talk English? You want to talk Chinese? What do
so
you want? What kind of language do you want to improve here?
I want to improve my English, and
Okay,
after that,
then talk in English.
yes, when I perfect in my English, after that I learn Chinese. But I know just a
Okay,
little
so
word.
here is the topic. Hey, Alicia, there is the pop topic, and Mohammed, here is the topic. So every one of you can tell me what do you give advice to the people that 10 years ago? 10 years ago yourself, you're a younger people, right? You're younger yourself. 10 years, if you can go back in time, what kind of advice would you give yourself 10 years ago? What kind of advice? What you would say to him? Hey, you're naive or what? Would you say to him? What would you say to yourself? Come on, Alicia first. Alicia first.
Okay. If about Indian youngster, if I'm going in past and I'm telling them you have to study good hardworking in study and make yourself good and the make your self improve in other languages, I mean English or Chinese and many more. They are interested in they improve themselves and make our environment mm, like a study, educated person, like a educated person, like UK and Japanese people or Chinese people. I want to say them, because in India many people are uneducated, and many younger boys are not learning, because they have responsibilities, not much.
Okay, that's very good. That's very nice, ma'am.
Yes.
I think your English will get improved if you come to this like live stream and talk more. My advice for you is like, don't listen more, just talk more. My advice to Muhammad, what are you gonna tell yourself 10 years ago? What advice you gonna tell yourself? Wow, very good, very good. So 10 years ago, like if now it's to me, like 10 years ago, I was like a little bit younger, a little bit naive. When I first come into, I'm a medical doctor actually in China. I'm a doctor in China. So I'm a little bit naive. I'm a little bit naive. I never know about the society. Never know about the, I don't know about how to deal with people. I don't have like very good people skills. I often talk too lot. Maybe sometimes you talk too lot, you will offend some people. You offend your superior. You offend your colleagues sometimes because you talk too much. You just sometimes you just offend people. You just don't know that you offend some people. So 10 years ago, if I go back in time, I'm gonna say, hey, when you're first in this social life and in this working place, come on, talk less, listen more, listen to people's advice, because nobody give a shit about you. No one knows who you are. If you talk more, nobody gonna like you. Nobody gonna like maybe you're gonna like repulse them. You're gonna like somebody gonna you're gonna like offend some people. So listen more and take somebody's advice and talk as less as you could, because I was so naive. I thought, oh my god, I'm going to express myself, I talk more. But it but the result is I become like offended my superior, my boss. boss didn't like me that much, and he gave me like some very hard time for 2 years, really hard time, like everything, like he tortured me in work. So, but that was the naive part of me. So right now, as my I was more grown people, I grown up. I have more experience in social life. I have more experience in the working place. So I could give myself the ultimate advice is that, hey, don't talk too much. Don't be cocky. Don't think. Don't like assume that you know a lot. A lot of people here know lot than you. Just shut your mouth and listen. Don't talk too much. That's it. That's my advice that I would give myself 10 years ago. So, Alicia, are you listening? Hey, Alicia,
Yes, I'm listening.
come on. So, where are you right now? A little bit noisy.
Yes, I'm at home and I'm helping my sister and my family members, my mom and my aunt. So that's why I'm in joint family.
Oh,
Yes.
so you're living in an apartment or what? You live in a house or you live in an apartment?
No, in my house and with my family.